Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about something many of us are curious about: how to make an extra $1,000 per week in 2024. Whether you're saving up for a big goal, paying off debt, or just looking for extra cash, I've got 5 side hustles that can help you boost your income. Let's dive in. Number 1. Freelance. If you have a knack for writing, freelance writing is a fantastic way to make extra money. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are packed with clients looking for blog posts, website content, and even social media copy. You can easily charge $50 or $150 per article, depending on your experience. And if you put in the effort, hitting that $1,000 per week goal is totally doable. Plus, with AI tools like ChatGPT helping with brainstorming or outlining, you can be even more productive. Number 2. Online tutoring. Next up, online tutoring. Sites like VIPKid, Chegg Tutors, and Wyzant make it easy to connect with students around the world. Whether you're helping with math, science, or even teaching English as a second language, tutoring rates can range from $20 to $50 per hour. Work a few hours a day and you'll quickly earn that extra $1,000. Plus, you can set your own schedule, making this side hustle super flexible. Number 3. Rent out your space. Got a spare room, garage, or even a parking space? You can rent it out on platforms like Airbnb or Neighbor. It's a way to generate passive income without having to invest a lot of time. Depending on your location, you can charge anywhere from $100 to $200 a night on Airbnb, or a few $100s a month for a parking spot. If you're in a popular area or near a big event, your free space could be your ticket to extra money each week. No. For food delivery and rideshares. Another option that has really taken off is working for food delivery or rideshare apps like Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, or Uber Eats. Depending on how many hours you're willing to put in, this could be a great side hustle to make a solid $1,000 or more per week. During peak times or on weekends, extra tips can add up. Plus, you can set your own hours, which is perfect if you're already juggling a full-time job. 5. Social media management. Businesses of all sizes are looking for help managing their social media presence. If you're good at creating content, engaging with followers, or even posting ads, you can easily charge between $300 to $1,000 per month per client. With just a few clients, you can reach your weekly goal of $1,000 in no time. Plus, it's a great way to use the skills you already have if you're active on social media. So there you have it, 5 ways to make an extra $1,000 per week in 2024. Whether you're looking for flexibility, passive income, or a job that fits your strengths, there's something on this list for everyone. Let me know in the comments what side hustle you're going to try, or if you have any other ideas to share. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more tips to increase your income and improve your financial life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.